So hello guys, today I'm going to teach you how to make pancakes. Okay, so originally these pancakes that we're cooking right now, they're from France and they're called crepes. So we have 4 people and we need 4 eggs. Sugar. Okay, so now we need to get 4 and 4 tablespoons. Now we have to add a pinch of salt. Vanilla so that it smells good. And we're adding a little bit of olive oil so that it doesn't stick to the pan.
The last one
is milk. Okay, so no one knows how much milk we should add, but it should not be watery and it should not be thick. Really important things. The pan should be hot before you make the pancakes. How do you check when if the pan is hot? When you pour it, you have to hear like this kind of sound. Okay, so here are the pancakes, and now you could eat them with honey syrup or powder.